Hello. I just wanted to come on here to say something absolutely mad and incredible has happened on my channel. So I've actually hit 10,000 subscribers, right? And that is just something that I could have only ever dreamed of doing, right? An absolute dream of mine to be 10,000 subscribers. I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you so much to everybody who's watched any of my videos, who has liked, who has hyped, who has dropped a comment, who has shared, and who has subscribed like you guys have done. So honestly, I can't thank you guys enough. It's absolutely incredible. Some of the comments you guys give me just give me the drive to just continue with my daily vlogging, continue sharing my garden, continue sharing the shopping vlogs, the hints and tips, and all that sort of good stuff, right? But I just wanted to come on here and say thank you so much. I really, really appreciate every single one of you. And words don't cut it. Words don't cover it. How I'm feeling. I felt very emotional. It was Friday night when actually I hit 10,000, and just to think at Christmas I was sitting at 3,000 subscribers, and then I've hit 10,000 just a few months later is incredible. Thank you so much. I'm not going to ramble on. I just want you to know that I really appreciate every single one of you, and thank you so much. So until tomorrow, I'll see you in the garden. You guys take care.